Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Microsoft 365 for deal room documents step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft 365 login page. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft 365 account. Click on the Next button to proceed. You will now be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. Select the Sign In button to access your account. Upon successful login, locate the app launcher in the top left corner of the screen. Click on the app launcher icon, which resembles a grid of dots. From the drop-down menu, select OneDrive as the file storage service. Look for the Share option on the left side of the OneDrive interface. Click Share to create a new link for document sharing. In the sharing dialog, enter the email addresses of your collaborators. Adjust the permissions as necessary, allowing them to view or edit documents. Click on the Send button to distribute the sharing link. Now, go back to the Microsoft 365 homepage. Find and click on the Teams app to access your collaboration space. Choose the appropriate team for your deal room documents. Click on the Files tab within the selected team space. Upload your deal room documents by clicking on the Upload button. Select the files you want to upload from your device. Verify that the documents are uploaded successfully. Once uploaded, select a document to open it. To authenticate, check if you are prompted for any additional permissions. Follow any on-screen instructions to grant necessary permissions. Once the documents are authenticated, you can now collaborate effectively. Make sure to communicate with your team for any updates or changes. Check back regularly to ensure that everyone has access to the latest documents. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.